Red alert. Repeat. Red alert. This is a scramble. Enemy units are converging around South Atari's island, incoming from Macross City. Enemy units defolding around Earth's atmosphere. Skull, Angel, and Apollo units prepare for sortie. SDF-1 Macross has confirmed incoming boat. I repeat. SDF-1 Macross has confirmed incoming. All units scramble.
Leader to all units. Set up. V formation 7-2. Ready?
Roger that.
Roger. Roger. It's been blown away.
Yeah. I won't forgive this. Everybody, listen up.
We're heading straight for the SDF-1. We're gonna get those bastards. We won't forgive them. Formation DS9. Let's go. Roger. Roger.
Roger. It's huge. Is this the SDF-1?